This video walks you through how to link a bank account to Clio Payments and to start from your Clio Manage account where you are already signed in. From the left navigation menu, click Accounts to open the area where your firm's account records are managed. Once the bank accounts page is visible, move to the upper right corner and click New Account to begin adding a bank account for Clio Payments. On the New Account form, open the Account Type dropdown and choose the account type that matches the bank account you are linking. This might be an operating account or a trust account, depending on how the account is used in your firm. Make sure you select the correct type before continuing, since this affects how the account is identified in Clio Manage. Next, enter an account name. This name is what you will see inside Clio Manage, so use a label that clearly identifies the bank account. After that, enter the bank account number in the appropriate field, then enter the transit number for that same bank account. These fields need to match the details provided by your financial institution. Continue by entering the name of the account holder, then locate the institution field and enter the name of the bank or financial institution. If your bank account requires domicile branch information, enter that in the domicile branch field. If a SWIFT code applies to the account, enter the bank's SWIFT code in that field as well. If either of those details is not applicable to your bank account, only complete the fields that are required on the page. Once those main details are in place, scroll down through the rest of the form and complete any remaining bank account information that Clio Manage requires. The exact fields can vary, so review the page carefully and fill in anything marked as necessary before saving. When the form is complete, save the new bank account. After the account is saved, return to Accounts so you can verify that the new entry appears in the bank accounts list. Look through the list and confirm that the bank account is displayed with the correct account type and the correct currency. This is the final check to make sure the account was added as intended and is listed properly in your records. Thanks for watching. Your bank account is now linked in Clio Manage and visible in the bank accounts list with the correct account type and currency.